Here's the situation. Big Chuck's joined a dragon boat team. We're at the dragon boat races today. It's kind of embarrassing, especially since he tried to give me crap for the juggling team. So we showed up. We're ready. Dragon boat races, Homosassa. Chuck's #1 fan. I also have a police siren, but there's police presence everywhere, so it might not be a good idea.
There they go. He's got his tongue out. It's getting serious.
Dragon boat team exercises. This is real serious now.
Paddles up. Attention, please.
Actually winning, I think.
Oh boy, they are winning.
Come on, guys.
They're coming.